Bonjour classe, bienvenue. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre un peu de vocabulaire. So welcome. Today we are going to learn just a little bit of vocab au sujet de la maison. So today we are going to talk about house vocab and things that you'd use to describe your house, things that might be in your apartment, etc., etc. Donc, on va commencer. So let's start. En premier, on a le balcon. Et le balcon, regarde la photo, look at the picture, and tell me what you think le balcon is. Oui, balcony, très bien. Et puis, on a un tableau. Un tableau, look at that picture and tell me what you think un tableau is. Oui, painting. Prochaine, on a la cuisine. La cuisine, la photo, look at that picture, et dis-moi, tell me, c'est quoi la cuisine? Oui, the kitchen. Prochaine, la salle à manger. What is la salle à manger? Oui, dining room. Et puis, l'escalier. So l'escalier, this is l'escalier. So what do you think l'escalier is? Oui, the stairs, the staircase. And so les escaliers are the actual individual stairs. Prochaine, ça c'est au rez-de-chaussée. Rez-de-chaussée in English is the ground floor. Like in English, we call it the first floor, but in French, it's the ground floor. So a lot of the times when you're in hotels in France, on the elevator, it'll just say rez-de-chaussée. It doesn't say premier étage. The premier étage is actually the second floor here. So in English, we call the second floor, or this part right here, this would be our second floor. But in French, this is the first floor. So they consider it the ground floor, and then they consider it the first floor. Et puis, la deuxième étage. So la deuxième étage en français, in French, is the second floor, but you guessed it based off the pattern. In English, it is considered our third floor. Ça, c'est l'armoire. So l'armoire, look at the picture and tell me what you think an armoire is. We don't really use these very much now, but they're really, really, really popular in the old days. Oui, an armoire, like a wardrobe. So this is where you would put your clothes when you didn't have closets. So that's kind of where they used to put clothes before closets existed. Et puis, on a la chambre. La chambre. What is la chambre? Oui, bedroom. Très bien. Et puis, une chaîne stéréo, c'est facile. Une chaîne stéréo is a stereo. Excellent. Une commode. Look at this picture and tell me what you think une commode is. Oui, dresser. They call it a chest of drawers, but it's really a dresser. Une étagère. What is une étagère? Oui, a shelf. So what do you think une étage is? Une étage. So just get rid of this RE. What do you think une étage is? Oui, a step. Très bien. So la lampe. What do you think la lampe is? C'est facile. Oui, lamp. Très bien. Avec les fleurs, with the flowers, le jardin is what in English? Oui, garden. Et puis, on a les toilettes. Et ça, c'est un peu difficile en français. This is a little bit difficult in French because there's a couple different ways to express this. So in French, there's this thing called les toilettes. And les toilettes are, you guessed it, the toilets, like the restroom. Now in France, there's two different words. So in English, we usually just combine the toilet and the bathtub in one room and call it a bathroom. In French, though, there's usually two different rooms, especially if you are in like a restaurant. They won't have a bathroom. They'll just have a restroom. So you got to make sure that you know both words. So that way when you go places, you can ask for the right place. So in French, les toilettes are just the toilet and the sink. There's no bathtub or anything like that. Think of it as like if you have a half bath in your house that doesn't have a bathtub, that's what it is in French. So it's les toilettes. On the contrary, there is la salle de bain, which is the exact opposite. There's usually no toilet and no sink, but it's usually just a place where you would shower. So this is the bathroom. So if you're in France and you're at a restaurant and you say, où est la salle de bain? They might look at you a little crazy because you're asking for the bathroom, but it's not really the bathroom that you're thinking of. So make sure that when you're in a restaurant, you ask for où est les toilettes. Ça, c'est un sofa. C'est facile. Look at that picture and tell me what un sofa is. Oui, couch. Très bien. Et puis, une table de nuit. What is une table de nuit? Oui, nightstand. If you get a little confused and you don't know what this word is, you can easily break it down because you know nuit, and then table, you've known table, so une table de nuit, a table of the night, nightstand. Et puis, ça c'est un fauteuil, un fauteuil. What is un fauteuil? Oui, armchair, très bien. Ça, c'est un placard. What is un placard? Look at this picture and tell me what you think un placard is. Oui, closet. Et puis, c'est facile, un lit. What is un lit? Très bien, bed. Et puis, un tapis. Ça, c'est un tapis. This is un tapis right here. So what is un tapis? Excellent, a rug. Ça, une table base. Une table base, ça, c'est une table base ici. So what is une table base? Oui, coffee table. Et puis, le garage, c'est facile. What is le garage? Oui, garage. C'est un immeuble de, and then you put a number, an étage. So we learned that étagère was shelf, and we learned that étage was a step. So when you're thinking about buildings, what do you think étage means? Oui, floor. So un immeuble is a building. So c'est un immeuble de 3 étages means it is a building with 3 floors. So if I was describing the high school, I would say c'est un immeuble de 3 étages. Or if I was describing, I don't know, a skyscraper, I could say c'est un immeuble de 20 étages. It's a building with 20 floors. Chez moi, you've heard chez moi a lot before. Chez moi means, oui, at my house or at my home. J'habite dans une maison. What do you think une maison is? Une maison. What do you think une maison is? Oui, a house. So j'habite dans une maison has to mean, oui, I live in a house. So un appartement, what is un appartement? Okay, et j'habite dans un appartement means, oui, I live in an apartment. So we have j'habite dans une maison and j'habite dans un appartement. Il y a, and then pièces chez moi. So il y a we know means there is or there are. So il y a, there is or there are. Pièces means rooms, and chez moi means at my house. So il y a, and then you put a number. Pièces chez moi means there are blank rooms at my house. You can also take out moi and put in toi or nous. If you were talking about like you and your family, you could say il y a 3 pièces chez nous. There are 3 rooms at our house, etc., etc. Au fond and au bout. Au fondu and au bout du mean the same thing. So au fondu and au bout du mean at the end of. So for me, I could say la salle de classe de madame est au fond du couloir, is at the end of the hallway. Où se trouve la salle de bain? I gave you this example earlier. Let's see if you remember. Où se trouve la salle de bain? What does this vocab word mean? Oui, where is the bathroom? Très bien. So if I am in a restaurant, am I going to ask où se trouve la salle de bain? Or am I going to ask, où se trouvent les toilettes? Yes, I would say les toilettes, because I'm not asking where the bathroom is. I need to know where the restroom is, where the toilets are. Où est le garage? Tell me what où est le garage is. Oui, where is the garage? En face de. Look at this word right here and tell me what you think this phrase means. So look at face and tell me what you think en face de means. Oui, facing. Très bien. Sur and sous. So if you look at these two words, look at where they're located. So think directions. Where is sur in regards to sous? It's on top of it, right? So sur must mean on, and then sous is under sur. So sous has to mean under. So sur means on and sous means under. À côté de, I could say that la salle de classe de madame est à côté de la salle de classe de Senora Newman. So what does à côté de mean? Oui, next to. Très bien. So I said Madame's classroom is next to Senora Newman's classroom. En bas and en haut. En haut means above. So en haut is above or upstairs, and en bas means below or downstairs. À gauche, look at that arrow and tell me what à gauche is. Oui, to the left. À droite, look at that arrow and tell me what à droite is. Oui, to the right. Très bien. So we have à gauche and à droite. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That's all the vocab for today. I hope that you're liking Edpuzzle, and I also hope that you're staying on top of the assignments. Don't forget that you do have a final exam that's coming up at the second week of June. So we only have about 3 more weeks of assignments. And then that last week, you won't have any assignments, but you will have to take your final exam. So be looking for some information about that in the coming weeks. I hope that you're all doing well. I miss your faces very, very, very much, and I'm so excited to see them next year. But in the meantime, I am going to ask for you to make a Bitmoji, kind of like this one that's right here, but maybe not with the crazy expression, and send it to me because I'd like to put them all together and take like a class photo with our Bitmojis. Also, I'm going to be sending out some information on a goodbye gift for Miss Your Pettit, so be looking for that information as well. Make sure that you check your emails. OK, c'est tout. À plus.